Hello everyone. Today we are going to make an easy-to-make Filipino style corned beef. This corned beef is shredded inside the can, and sold in supermarkets and grocery stores. It is usually served fried, mixed with onions, garlic and tomatoes with a side of steamed rice and a fried egg. Now, let's begin cooking by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I use olive oil, but you can use any kind of oil according to your preference. Once the oil is hot enough, you can now add the chopped garlic. Then you can also add the onions. I used scallions because I ran out of regular onions. Green onions and scallions are actually the same thing. They are either harvested very young from the regular bulb-forming onions. Then you can add the red bell pepper. And add the tomatoes. Let them cook until you see most of the flavors come out. Stir occasionally to avoid burning them. Now it is time to add the corned beef. By the way, I only use half of the canned corned beef, which is about 6 ounces, since this is a leftover. Continue stirring until it is done. Approximately in 2 minutes, this one should be done. You may add salt and pepper, but this is optional since the corned beef has been seasoned with preservatives. I think it is done. This dish is usually served with rice. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.